Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin is testing crucial resistance at $77,600 as traders position ahead of major macroeconomic catalysts. The Federal Reserve meets today and tomorrow, with rates expected to hold steady between 3.5 and 3.75%. But Chair Jerome Powell's guidance will be critical. Macro headwinds are mounting. The University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index crashed to 49.8 in April. One-year inflation expectations surged to 4.8% from 3.8%, while 5 to 10-year expectations hit 3.5%. These elevated inflation readings could constrain the Fed's ability to signal rate cuts, potentially capping upside for Bitcoin and other risk assets. Despite macro pressure, institutional adoption continues. Bitcoin spot ETFs recorded 9 consecutive positive sessions from April 14th through the 24th, bringing in over $2 billion. However, momentum stalled with $89 million in Bitcoin ETF outflows on April 28th, led by BlackRock's IBIT, with $112 million in withdrawals. Bitwise advisor Jeff Park argues that BlackRock's IBIT options could become the primary catalyst driving Bitcoin to new all-time highs. IBIT options open interest has overtaken Deribit for the first time, with implied volatility trading approximately 5 points higher than offshore exchanges. On the XRP Ledger, tokenized US Treasury assets have surged 8 times over the past year, rising from approximately $50 million to $418 million in April 2026. This growth demonstrates increasing institutional confidence in XRPL as infrastructure for real-world assets. XRP is currently trading at $1.40. Regulatory developments are accelerating. The CFTC sued Wisconsin on April 28th, adding to lawsuits against New York, Arizona, Illinois, and Connecticut in a jurisdictional battle over prediction markets. Meanwhile, Polymarket is reportedly seeking CFTC approval to lift restrictions on U.S. users. Canada is proposing a nationwide ban on cryptocurrency ATMs as part of its spring economic update released today. Officials cite crypto ATMs as a primary method for scammers to defraud victims. Canada currently has approximately 4,000 crypto ATMs, the highest per capita globally. Galaxy Digital reported a $216 million net loss in the first quarter, but maintained strong equity of $2.8 billion. Looking ahead, this week brings critical catalysts. The Fed decision lands tomorrow, followed by first quarter GDP and PCE data on April 30th. Bitcoin faces technical resistance at the $82,000 CME gap. With negative perpetual funding rates and lower implied volatility, the setup favors bulls if macro conditions cooperate. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.